Do you want me to?
Okay, there it goes. Okay, just
Oh wait.
like I said. Oh, it's okay. It's recording now. We found this little guy about, what would you say, like 15 minutes ago?
Yeah, about that.
And he's able to flap his wings. Well, at least he was originally. But he was stuck in a driveway and wedged in between the garage and the cement. So kind of a little worried about him. So we got him to go in here, and his mom is very vigilant, and she's been keeping an eye on him. But the thing that she's doing is she's trying to get him to respond, which is what he was doing earlier. But I think he got himself freaked out, and he's not making any noise. He's breathing, he's blinking, but nothing's happening. What we wanted from you guys is any suggestions you can give us. He's protected now. He's outside, but he's protected. We're keeping an eye on him. But if you guys have ever experienced something like this, we would like to hear from you guys. Any suggestions. And so, yeah, your thoughts. So what I'll do is I'll probably stop recording in a little bit and then upload this. I'll then do another one. Just so it gives you guys time to, like, respond. What do you want to say? What she said.
Yeah, what she said. Well, the mom's been flying between these trees, so we know she's making sure he's safe. But, I haven't seen her recently. I think she stopped calling for him. Right? You haven't heard her?
I think she might be, like, a few houses over.
Did she leave? I think maybe she knows that it's okay with us. Maybe she knows it's injured, but...
Because you hear the birds that are like... Oh, he moved. I put him down and he moved. Oh my god.
It's his wing. Why didn't I record that? Okay, I uploaded mine, so...
You're probably not on that, Lily. Put it on the welcome mat. Don't put it on the cement. It'll get scratched up.
What would you do? Should I try to pick it up?
No, wait. Look at his leg. That's broken.
Is that why he can't fly? It's also the wing, though, I thought. Maybe he's...
Guy. If I put him down, maybe he'll... Guy. Oh, wait. That was moving it too much. I'm sorry. What are you doing?
Around. I mean, his mom...
He's a lot more alert than what he was. If you want to go ahead and start recording again... You know.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay, hold on.
Okay, I want to keep him. Nurse him back to health. Put him on my Zooms.
Oh, yeah.
Like the girl with the baby badgers did.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see if I can... I just moved this around. I didn't do it violently. Of course, I'm not going to, like, shake it around, but just when I set this bucket down, he was,
Like flapping?
Yeah, he put one wing out, and the other one went out, but it was delayed. I hope the fact that McDonald's logo is there is not an issue.
He was... Maybe... Now he's just breathing really hard.
He's breathing really hard now. Okay, I'm not going to move that around. We saw him move a little bit.
Sadly, I wasn't recording because I didn't think... I thought he was just going to be like this for a while.
Yeah.
Just not moving.
No, I didn't think he was going to move for a while.
Yours is so much clearer.
And shout out from our dog, Coco, who's watching us, making sure we're giving the best care possible to this baby bird. Hi, sweetie! Oh, wait, where's Vega? Oh, she's not there.
She probably doesn't care.
Oh, wait. Oh, God, I almost dropped it. She just walked by. Where is she?
She's still there. That's a reflection.
Oh, okay. The reflection. I couldn't see her. There she is. That's Vega and our baby Coco. And this baby bird. So I'm going to stop recording. I'm going to upload this. Hopefully you guys see it and can give us some suggestions on what to do. And if we can't get him out, or if it's not possible for the mom to come back, definitely need your suggestions, man. Just any suggestions, all suggestions. We're open to all of it. All right, guys. I will see you very soon. 20 minutes maybe. I don't know. But thanks for watching.